Hello everyone, welcome back to AJ's Paintings. Today I am going to try some new paints that I just got. These ACRYLIC dazzling metallic paints. This one is ice blue, champagne gold, and rich espresso. I'll also use light green from Artist Loft, deep magenta from Artist Loft, and metallic blue from Artist Loft. And I'll be using Artist Loft Flow Acrylic for the background. So I'm just gonna do a Dutch pour. So I just wanna see how these metallic paints are going to do. Okay. I'm just gonna, let's see how far I can take it. Wow, there's lots of bubbles in there. I don't want to put too much paint. I've noticed that if I put too much paint for the base coat, it moves way more afterwards. So I just want to put enough so it's easy for the paint to move around, but not so much that it moves even after I stopped working on it. I'm just gonna take my fingers around the corners on the sides of the canvas. I'm not gonna worry about it too much right now. I'll cover them later on as well. Okay. Okay, let me pop some bubbles. I don't want to pop. Okay. I just feel like I should put maybe a little bit more in some areas. All right. Okay, so I think I'm just gonna do a line in the middle and then see where it goes. So I just want to test these paints to see how it's going to react, how they're going to work together. Okay, that's better. Let's start with rich espresso. I mixed it with some fluidart and water. Might be a little bit thicker for Dutch pour, but then we'll see. Okay, now Artist Loft Metallic Blue. Just gonna squiggly line. I think I'll go with the light green. Look at that mocha, it's just like going all over already. Okay. Okay, and now this ice blue from ACRYLIC. Okay, and champagne gold, ACRYLIC. Okay, let me pop the bubbles. Okay, let's do this. I think I'm gonna start from here and then I'll see where else it goes. Okay. Wow, I love this. Wow. Very nice. Okay, let me blow a little bit on this one. I like that green. Love all the cells that are popping up. So nice. I wonder if let me just try this. This is beautiful. I really like this. Okay, here is the close-up. Love all the cells that popped up. Beautiful. I don't see the gold that much. Seems like it's overpowered by the rich espresso more. But look at those cells. I'm gonna turn off these studio lights and show you how it looks without the lights. Look at all these cells. This is amazing. That's the gold right there. You can see the shimmer.